So here's the example for piyok here, right? We have one way of using it in the dictionary or looking it up in the dictionary on your computer, which I believe you can do that and copy and paste that. That's a little bit faster, right? If you like that, that's good. If you want to, that would be a double click on it, right? Double click, and then you can see those different ways of using it. All right, how to copy and paste is going to be highlight and Command C for the Mac. Yes. Command V to paste it. Command V to paste it to your Google Translate here. All right, that'll give you your translation as well. All right, and then after that, you can see the part of speech achieve or complete successfully. And then you have all of the different versions in Thai. One feature that I liked was the frequency as well. It will be good to see all of the different examples that they give you so that you are able to see how the word is used in English as well. The next part that's going to be good is your saved feature, right? So you go ahead and save it there, and then after that you can go to your saved category as well and see all of the different things that you have saved over time, all right? And I think that will be a good way for you to use Google Translate.